So let's talk about this. You've been holding back on wallpaper. Many people avoid wallpaper because they think it's outdated, and that's definitely not true anymore. In this video, we're going to talk about the 8 biggest myths that make you hesitate when you're thinking about installing wallpaper in your home or your business. And by the end of this video, you'll feel confident to think about wallpaper in your space. So let's tackle those 8 myths. My name is Yolanda Brooks, wallpaper consultant and interior decorator. Welcome to my channel. This is a channel we talk about all things wallpaper and wall coverings. With my over a decade of experience with wallpaper and decorating, I have heard it all when it comes to the myths of selecting and installing wallpaper. And what I'd like to say is every dull wall in your space, it could be a missed opportunity. So let's dive into the 8 common myths that many people face when they're considering wallpaper for their home or their commercial space. If you have any questions about your own feelings or hesitations or you need clarification, please feel free to leave a comment below. I am excited to hear your thoughts, questions, and your experiences. I answer all my comments because I genuinely want you to love wallpaper as much as I do. So let's get started on myth number 1, the fear of the unknown. So imagine you've been staring at the same boring, dull walls for years. You love the idea of wallpaper, but you're thinking, what if it looks bad if I don't know what to choose? What if it's a nightmare to remove? So you do nothing, and you just stay stuck with the same walls for years. Well, the truth is, modern wallpaper is not like that old school nightmare your grandma or your auntie had. Peel and stick wallpapers, it makes it easy to test styles before you commit to them. And they're easy to remove, so if you don't like them, you can just remove it. Myth number 2, finding a wallpaper to suit both parties involved. You love bold patterns, but your partner wants something a little neutral. You know this could be a never-ending argument, so you just avoid it altogether. Does that sound familiar? I'm sure it does. Well, it definitely is for me. Sometimes I feel I have to be that counselor or that mediator just to come to that common ground. The secret is compromising with textures and neutrals, solid grass cloth wallpapers, or subtle geometric prints. Add personality without overpowering a space. Plus, wallpaper comes in thousands of designs. There's always going to be a perfect middle ground. Myth number 3, wallpaper won't match my existing furnishings. This is a big request I get from my clients when selecting wallpaper for their space. You just bought this gorgeous couch or statement rug. Now you're afraid that the wallpaper is not going to match your couch or rug and just ruin the whole look you're trying to achieve. Well, the truth is, designers or modern wallpaper designers consider your home furnishings. There are minimalist options, textured finishes, and even wallpapers that mimic natural materials like wood, marble, and stone. Wallpaper enhances your furniture. It doesn't compete with it. Myth number 4, wallpaper hurts my home's resale value. Now, you want to sell your home. You're worried that buyers will hate your wallpaper and it'll be harder to sell. Actually, wallpaper can increase your resale value. A well-designed accent wall or a stylish pattern can create a unique high-end look that stands out in the market. And if you think buyers won't love it, choose peel and stick wallpaper. That way the new owner can remove it easily if they don't like it. Wallpaper will always help to hide marks, scratches, and little small pinholes that you may not be able to repair before you leave. You can enhance architectural features like a fireplace, areas that you want to create a statement and refresh, like laundry rooms that are always dull, mud rooms to cover those marks on the walls and to brighten the space, kitchen backsplash, cover grease or water stains. There's just so much more. Just keep it neutral. That's what I would suggest. Hesitation number 5. Wallpaper installation is messy and disruptive. You picture glue just dripping everywhere, paper ripping, or sticking where it shouldn't be stuck, and a chaotic DIY disaster. Well, the truth is, today's wallpaper is easy to install. Again, peel and stick options require no mess. If you're a beginner, grab a partner to help you. Have a fun install day. Even traditional wallpaper has improved with pre-pasted and easy hang formulas. Plus, with the right tools, a single wall can be done in just a few hours. I hope you're finding value in some of these myths we've talked about so far. It's important to have a clear mind and address any myths or hesitations to make informed decisions about your space. If you are finding value in this content so far, please hit that like button and let me know in the comments what's resonating with you so far. Your feedback is so helpful for me to create even more informative and valuable content. Now, let's continue unpacking some more wallpaper myths. Hesitation number 6. Wallpaper is too expensive. You assume wallpaper is a luxury only interior designers or the wealthy can afford. But the truth is, wallpaper actually saves you money. A high quality wallpaper can last 10 to 15 years. Well, paint needs a refresher every 3 to 5 years. Plus, there are budget-friendly options like traditional paper and vinyl wallpapers that are starting at low prices. You should always have a budget in mind, and you will find a wallpaper to match that budget. Hesitation number 7, just a lack of confidence. What if I mess up? You try wallpaper, but you're terrified of making a mistake and ruining your walls. But the truth is, wallpaper is forgiving. Many types are repositionable and there are tons of beginner-friendly options. Just start with a small accent wall or inside a closet. You'll be shocked by how easy it is. Hesitation number 8. Wallpaper is hard to remove. You imagine scraping old, stubborn wallpaper for hours, like a nightmare from the 80s wallpapers. Today's modern wallpapers are engineered for easy removal. Peel and stick panels come off in seconds, and even traditional wallpapers. Just a food for thought. When you have a friend adding stunning wallpaper to their hallway because they wanted to make a statement, when guests come over and they want to hide the marks on the walls, you become inspired to create that feeling in your own home. You start to share how the wallpaper in your friend's home completely changed the look and the feel of their space, making it more inviting, stylish, and clean. So based on their success story, you feel motivated to tackle your own wallpaper project, knowing that the outcome could be equally rewarding. Now that we've tackled these 8 myths, have I made you reconsider installing wallpaper? I hope so. Let me know in the comments what your biggest wallpaper fear has been. As I said before, I'll personally reply to every request. If you liked this video and you found it helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more wallpaper tips, knowledge, and inspiration, and turn on your notifications so you never miss a new upload. Until next time, all you need is wallpaper. Looking forward to see you in my next video.